everyone, my name is Evaan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have this truck.
And what is this?
It's a transport truck. We put so many cars. We can open up from here.
Okay.
And we can do this.
Okay. This. And this is a Hot Wheels truck.
Yes, it is a Hot Wheels truck.
Okay. So show the packing. Okay, so this is a Hot Wheel truck. And that's how it looks.
So we
Turn
have...
the back side. Okay, so कितनी गाड़ियाँ आ जाती हैं वहाँ इसमें?
It was written 50 cars.
No, 64.
64.
So इवान की यहाँ पे बहुत सारी गाड़ियाँ पड़ी हैं जो कि इवान ने निकाल के रखी हुई हैं. एंड इवान अब आपको डाल के दिखाएगा कि कैसे इस ट्रक में जो है गाड़ियाँ डलती हैं, right?
Yes.
Yeah, did you like the new truck?
Yes.
So Ivan got this on his birthday.
Yeah, I can also do this.
Yeah. So let's start. There only. Park the truck there. Yeah. So we will start from the front, right?
Yeah.
So two cars can be parked here. And two cars can be parked on the top. So 4 cars. 4 गाड़ियाँ हमारी अंदर चली गई हैं. अब it's time for the bottom part. So bottom के लिए कहाँ से जाएगी इवान cars? Side से जाएंगी पीछे से जाएंगी?
Yeah, side से.
I think पीछे से जाएंगी.
Yeah, they will come. So this car can fit.
Okay, the small cars can fit from there, but I think the big cars will go from the back. What do you think?
They will not fit. The big cars cannot fit. The big cars can only fit here, and here. Two. This car cannot fit. This car cannot fit.
Okay.
So we're going to hit the bus.
This will also not fit. It's so big. You can put these racing cars here, right?
Yes. So there's only 4 spaces.
Okay.
In this one.
Okay. So you can put this white one, the small one.
Yeah, that's what I'm putting. Now for this side.
Okay.
That went so far.
Yeah.
Oh. The police car cannot fit. Well, this car will fit. This
One more car. There we go. So कितनी गाड़ियाँ चलेगी इवान अभी इसमें?
There are 4 in here, 4 in here.
8 and नीचे?
3 in here.
3 here, 3 here, 6. 8 and 6?
8 and 6 is...
Yeah, calculate करके बताओ. 8 and 6 is equal to? 8 in your mind, 6 in your hands.
6 in your finger.
Yeah, 6 in your fingers. So count.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Okay.
Answer is 14. There are
Answer
14
is
cars
14.
here.
And on the front as well?
Therefore,
4. So 14 plus 4 is?
14 plus 4 is 18.
18, yes. 14 plus 4 is 18. Now it's time for the upper part, the upper section.
Yes, this monster truck. Monster truck.
Yeah, big cars can fit now.
Yeah, big cars can fit. Go like this one.
So how many cars can fit here?
5, maybe.
Okay. 3, 4, and 5. Nice.
Now for this
Another
side.
5 there.
1.
2.
Well, this one cannot go. Fit. 1, 2, 3. 3 cars.
You need some small cars, Evaan.
4.
Okay, 4 में जगह खत्म हो गई because आपने बड़ी गाड़ी डाली है इसमें. आगे 5. So पहले कितनी थी इवान? 18.
Yeah.
18 plus अब ऊपर कितनी डल गई?
5.
And
18 plus 5 is 28.
Yeah, 28. So total अभी हो गई हैं 28 cars और अभी 3 rows और बची हैं. फटाफट डाल दे इवान. So ऊपर भी 555 आएंगे मेरे ख्याल से.
I think this
ये नहीं
cars
आएगा.
cannot fit. I think these ones. Oh yeah, this can fit. Oh,
ये भी मेरे को बड़ी लग रही है वान थोड़ी सी.
there.
Okay.
They fit. With this.
There.
Here's one more. This one cannot fit. One more space. There. But we need a space car.
Yeah, we need a small car.
There.
Okay, the other line. Faster.
Why faster?
Okay, so finally it is completed now. So how many
Yes.
cars, Ivan?
So we have 38 cars.
No, we have 30. 10 here, 10 here, 10 here. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30.
30.
And this is 8 and 8. 8 and 8 is 16. So 30 plus 16 is 46. 46 plus 4 is 50. 50 and upar 8 is 58 cars here.
58.
So it's a parking spot for 58 cars. It's a transport truck. So how this moves, Ivan? Show the audience. And this part, ऊपर से, oh, ये नहीं ये वाला, ऊपर वाला.
This part?
Yeah.
Well, let me fix this class. So we hold the bottom part, then pull this like this.
Okay.
Then this.
And this and this. So that's the new truck for Ivan. So what do you want people to do, Ivan?
If you want this car, then you must pull this down. Then the car comes to here.
Okay.
And down.
So
Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like my channel.